Hey guys, this is Nate from Geezer Skate, and I'm here with Mike Crum.
How you doing, Nate?
And we're here just going to do a quick preview about the Craig Johnson Bowl Jam. So Mike, so tell us a little bit about how did the Craig Johnson Bowl Jam come to be? Because this is the second annual one.
Second annual, yeah. Last one was last June, and it was awesome. But, I mean, the whole idea about it is, I mean, I grew up in the 80s skating in Texas.
Yeah.
And Jeff and Craig were just, you know, larger than life to me. You know, the first people I ever saw skate was pretty much Craig and Jeff at Bachman Lake. So the whole idea about the Bowl Jam really is just to, I mean, what I say in the post is just a gathering to witness amazing skateboarding, all in honor of the radicalness of Craig Johnson.
And he is radical.
He's a radical, you know, he's insane.
Yeah,
so,
he is.
Yeah.
What can people expect at this year's Bowl Jam?
So we've had a couple more divisions, women's division. So we basically we're doing Groms, we're doing an open, and then we're doing a women's division or girls division, and then masters and grandmasters.
Awesome.
So it's like, I think it's like 5 divisions. So it's strictly jam format. So it's not going to be, we'll have like an introduction run. Like, so you know, one introduction run and then like a 7-minute jam where everyone kind of just goes.
Okay.
Not in order, you know. So it'll be cool. So the last one went really good. It was a great turnout. We'll have we'll have bands, we'll have food and all that. So.
Who are some of the bands that you have coming out?
I was just talking to Craig about that, so I'm leaving that 100% up to him. I'm getting hit
he's
up,
choosing all the
and
bands.
I like this because I can go there. It's up to Craig at this one. You know, I get hit up all the time.
Oh, nice. So, yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, but I mean, he's talking about some pretty cool bands, some pretty local big bands. So,
nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be sweet. Yeah. I think that'll be a lot of fun to see who he chooses.
Yeah, for sure. So it'll just be 2 bands because we got to fit so much in one day. So
yeah, there is a lot. Yeah. So what day is this year's Bowl Jam?
August 3rd, and I have to look, but it's either 5 to 11 or 6 to 11 because of the heat.
Yes.
So we're gonna have lights, and if it has to go longer, we will. You know, but we'll do the Groms first and give the awards for that, and then at the end. The event will be the bands and then all the awards and stuff like that. So
cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, we're looking forward to that.
For sure. We got some awesome trophy decks being made up and some really cool t-shirt design for it and all that. So.
And I hear Chad's hard at work on the gallery.
Yes.
So I look forward to seeing.
Yeah, we're going to have some new stuff to see. It's going to be sick.
Look forward to seeing all you guys out there on August 3rd, 5 to 11 or 6 to 11
6
p.m.
to 11, something. I mean, that's just gates open, so the activity is really starting probably around 7 to be safe.
7 p.m. in the bowl doing this.
And we'll have the bleachers again. We're actually going to have shade this time and maybe misters. It will be good.
We will appreciate that because that was hot last year.
Yeah, it was nuts. It was like a crazy heat wave. I think it was
it was
June,
brutal.
but it was like 107 or something, so it was crazy.
Is the indoor part going to be part of
we're going to, well, I mean, not part of it, but I'm sure people will be skating in there.
Okay.
You know, the main focus we'll have the bleachers and all that out there, but kids can definitely skate inside.
Oh, nice. And do you want to talk a little bit about your upcoming partnership with Zoomies and the Best Foot Forward?
Yeah, so it's just kind of randomly, we've done the Best Foot Forward qualifying here when we first opened at our new location.
Yeah.
Just kind of had a decent relationship with them throughout the years, and
awesome.
I mean, not just ongoing, kind of just random stuff. And they're moving the Best Foot Forward finals, which is their big one, to Texas. So they were scouting for a venue, and they met me here. They loved the place. We realized it was too small inside for viewing, you know, because it attracts a lot of people. And I just randomly mentioned, you know, we could pour a slab here, extend the street course out here, and it came to fruition, and it's happening. So we're excited. We haven't really shared like the plans or anything, but it's a big contest street course that's going to be going on, and the finals is here September 7th.
Oh, okay.
Best Foot Forward finals here. So,
awesome. Yeah. September 7th.
Yeah, pretty
nice. That'll be cool.
Yep,
that'll be really nice.
For sure.
So guys, 4DWN down here just outside of Fair Park, Dallas, Texas. Non-profit. All donations are tax deductible. They've got a killer bowl, the clown ramp, indoor skate park, soon to be outdoor skate park.
Yep. And new vert ramp coming too.
New vert ramp coming, and a mini ramp.
Yes.
There is so much here, so you guys got to come out and check this place out. What's the address?
2633 Ferris Street. It's just kind of between Deep Ellum and Fair Park. So.
Right here in the heart of Dallas, Texas.
Yes.
We'll see you out here.
Hopefully see everyone there. Thank you.